Most of time, unanswered calls go to voicemail, but this code lets you see the exact number your network is using. So, you know,
master tech that others can't teach.
Hello my friends, before you keep watching this video, I want to ask you one question. Right now, at this very moment, could someone be redirecting your phone calls without your knowledge? Could someone be checking your activity in the background? Could hidden settings on your phone be working against you and you have no idea? Here is the truth. Your phone or your smartphone has secret deal codes written into it. These codes are not dangerous, but they reveal hidden information about what your phone is doing. Some codes shows you who your calls are going to. Someone open hidden menus that only phone technicians use, and someone can help you protect your device. Today, I'm Ubalde official. I will show you 10 of the secret codes explained simply so anyone can understand them. So let's start. Code number 1. Find the unique identity of your phone. You dial *#06#. When you dial this code, your phone will immediately show you number code International Mobile Equipment Identity, or simply shortened IMEI. IMEI stand for International Mobile Equipment Identity. Think of it like this: your phone email is its fingerprint. No two phones in the world share the same email. This number is used to identify specific device on network. Block stolen phones. If your phone is stolen, authorities can use the email to deactivate it. Verify ownership. Before buying second-hand on phone, check this number. What you should do: write down your International Mobile Equipment Identity and save it somewhere safe. If your phone is ever stolen, this number is your best weapon to recover it. Code number 2. See if your calls are being sent somewhere else. Dear *#21. This code shows you the call forwarding status on your phone. Call forwarding means when someone calls you, instead of your phone ringing, the call is secretly sent to different number of the someone phone number. Sometimes this is normal. For example, your phone sends missed call to voicemail. But if you see number you don't know, you don't recognize, that is something to investigate. Why this matter? If someone set up for call forwarding on your phone without telling you, this code will expose it. Code number 3. What's happened when you don't understand? Dear *#61#. This code shows you where your calls go when you don't pick up. Maybe you were busy, maybe your phone was on silent, maybe you just didn't hear it. Most of the time, unanswered calls go to voicemail, but this code lets you see the exact number your network is using. So, you know nothing unexpected is happening. Simply check this code and confirm the number shown belongs to your network voicemail services. Code number 4. What happens when your phone is off or unreachable? You dial *#62#. This code shows you what your network does with calls when your phone cannot be reached at all. This happens when your phone is switched off, your battery is dead, you have no network signal. In most cases, calls are directed to voicemail, but this code lets you verify that is actually this case and nothing else is happening. Code number 5. code is the reset or call forwarding the cleanup code for the security purpose. Dear double hash 002 hash. This code is one of the most useful codes in this list. This code removes all call forwarding settings on your phone in one action. Think of it like pressing reset button. After doing this code, no call will be directed to unknown numbers. Your phone returns to its default call behavior. So my recommendation is that if you are unsure about your phone call settings, use this code to clean everything up and refresh your phone. That is meant to clean up your phone about call forwarding. Code number 6. Open hide information menu. Android only. It works on Android only. Dear *# 4636 ##*. This code opens secret menu that is built into most Android phone. Inside this menu, you can see phone information, your network signal strength and connection type, battery information, charging status and battery health, usage statistics, how your apps are using your phone's resources, network connections data, where we see Wi-Fi and mobile data details. This means is normally used by phone technicians and developers, but now you can access it too. Note that this code works on most Android phones. If it doesn't open on your device, your phone model may not support it. So let's go on the next code. Code number 7 is used to test your phone hardware. You dial or press *#0*#. This code open hardware testing screen on supported Android phones. Hardware means the physical parts inside your phone, the screen, speakers, cameras, vibration, motor, and sensors. From this menu, you can test screen colors where to check if your phone display is working properly. Speakers and microphone, you can test audio quality, camera, front and back camera, vibration, confirm the motor is working, sensors, you check red sensor, proximity sensor, and the more sensors. When you choose this, if your phone is behaving strongly, please screen flickering, speakers not working, this means helps you find the problem fast. Code number 8. Check your battery health. Dear *#0228#. This code displays details about battery information on supported phones. You can see voltage, the current power level of your battery. Can also see battery condition, whether the battery is healthy or degrading. Can see charging status, whether your phone is charging correctly. Over time, phone batteries lose the ability to hold a full charge. This code helps you understand if your battery is performing well or if it may be time to get it checked or replaced. Code number 9. Soft reset of system settings. Dear *#7780 *#*. Use this code carefully. This code performs a partial set of your phone settings, returning some system configurations back to their original state. It may move inside app data, some personal settings, but it is less extreme than full factory reset. Only use this if you are experiencing serious system problem and you understand what it does. Always back up important data first in order to prevent lost it. Your last as number 10 codes, it is the full factor reset. Here you dear star 27 67 star 3855 hash. Warning, please, this is the most powerful code on this list. This code performs complete factory reset on your phone. That means that everything is erased, including apps, photos, contacts, messages, files. Your phone is returned to the exact state it was in the it left the factory. This cannot be undone. Only use this if you are selling or giving away your phone and want to completely erase your data. Your phone has serious problem that no other solution can fix. You full understand that you will lose everything stored on your device. Always back up your data before using this code. So my friends, your smartphone is not just communication device anymore. It is all your conversations, your photos, your passwords, your contacts, and your personal information. That is why every smartphone user needs to understand how their phone actually works. These top 10 codes give you window into your phone hidden system and help you stay informed and in control. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video. It helps more people to find this content. Subscribe to Ubalde Official so you never miss a video like this. Share this with someone who needs to check their phone today, because knowledge about technology is not just interesting, it is protection. I'm Ubalde Official. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.
Master tech that others can't teach.